Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the AC condenser on Volkswagen Passat 5.5 with a 1.9 TDI engine. The procedure is similar for Audi A4 and A6 with the same 1.9 TDI engine. We can see that by looking at the front of the engine, there is no access to the AC condenser. We can only see the cooling fans and the serpentine belt. So in order to get to the AC condenser, first we need to remove the front bumper. To make it easier to remove the front bumper, first we're going to remove the two front wheels. Next, we're going to remove the bolts for half of the mudguard in order to move it out of the way so that we can remove the bolt for the bumper. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the mudguard is out of the way, there is a bolt there that we can see that is holding the bumper to the wing. Next we go to the other side and we do the same. That's the bolt right there that's holding the bumper to the wing that we need to remove. Before we remove the bumper, first we need to remove this bonnet puller. First we're going to remove this plastic holding the bonnet puller to the grille. In order to release this bonnet puller from the grille, we need to press these two taps and it will release it from this grille. Next, we need to release this bonnet puller from the bonnet lock. We need to bring up this metal clip right there, and then afterwards we need to open the bonnet puller and release it from the bonnet lock. I'm using two flathead screwdrivers in order to remove this bonnet puller from the bonnet lock. and that's the puller out. Now you can see what it is exactly. We need to open this part of the bonnet and just take it out afterwards. Next, we're going to pull out the two sides of the bumper. But before removing the bumper completely, first we need to remove this grille, because there's a couple of bolts holding the bumper in the middle. In order to remove this grille, we need to press the tabs here where exactly I'm putting my screwdriver in. There is 3 or 4 tabs that I need to push in, and the grille will come out. Now that the grille is out, we can see 4 bolts holding the bumper. First we need to remove them, and then we can take out the bumper. Now that the bolts are removed, I can take out the bumper. We just need to pull it out. And when we pull it out, there is a couple of electrical connectors that we need to disconnect. And then we can remove the bumper. Before getting to the AC condenser and the radiator, first we need to remove this plastic plate, which is held by 5 or 6 bolts that we need to remove, and then now we have better access to the 2 radiators. Next, we're going to remove 2 bolts on each side that are holding the AC condenser to the radiator. Next, we're going to remove this screw that's holding this hydraulic pipe to the radiator. Next, we're going to remove the screw holding this plastic to the radiator. After removing the screw, we're going to pull out this plastic, and then we'll do the same on the other side. Now that we've removed all the bolts holding the AC condenser to the radiator, there is only 2 bolts left to remove. These are these 2 bolts that are holding these AC lines to the AC condenser, and then we can pull out the AC condenser. If we can't take out the AC condenser completely, maybe we should release the radiator a little bit so that we make a little bit more space. In order to release the radiator, there is 2 plastic clips holding it. I'll show them to you where they are. The 2 plastic clips are right there. One of them is just there. It's a long plastic clip, and then on the other side there is another one. These 2 plastics are holding the radiator in place so that it doesn't go forward and back. When these two plastic clips are removed, now we can pull out the radiator and the AC condenser, and then there is enough space to remove the AC condenser. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.